Hi, it's Ian Thompson, 60 Seconds with Ian. Today I wanted to talk about what to do if something comes up in a home inspection and it makes the buyer feel like, I want to run away screaming. My experience is the best thing to do is, hey, just take a step back, let's take a breath, and perhaps if we need to get an extension for your offer to give both the buyer and the seller time to assess what's going on. Hey, if there's something that needs to be done, my experience is typically sellers are quite reasonable. Most sellers don't know about a lot of intricacies on their home. It's just the reality of it, and they'll most likely work with the buyer to come to a reasonable solution. So if you're a buyer, don't just collapse the deal, run away screaming. Of course you can do that, but if it's the home you've been waiting for, hey, let's work together, see if we can come up with a solution. That's why you have people representing you, to make sure that we can get things done to get you into that home that you really like. If you like 60 Seconds with Ian, make sure you go to my YouTube channel and subscribe. And if you'd like to book an appointment with me, just hit the button below and I'll get back to you right away. Okay? Have a great day.